everybody. I want to talk about these 3 set Venn diagrams because I'm getting some questions about them. So, excuse me. After I took a look at these again, I really remembered some of the things that I do when I have a complicated problem like this. So let's talk about that. The first thing I do is I use colors. So get some paper, draw your Venn diagram on paper, grab some crayons or markers or something like that with colors. That is going to help you keep track of things really easily. The other thing that I do is when these are complicated like this with all these steps, I do them in stages. So you can see I've got 3 Venn diagrams here already marked. If I need more, I will just copy and paste another one in, but I recommend that you use more than one of these pictures so that you can do every step one at a time. And the third thing that I do is just like a PEMDAS problem, we have to work from inside out. So here are the steps I'm going to follow. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shade in C union A. The second step I'm going to shade in is C union A complement. And the third step I'm going to shade in is C union A complement intersected with B. So I'm doing a step at a time. So let's start off on this. C union A, that means to color in everything that's in C and also color in everything that's in A. That's what union means. So in my first picture, there's A, and there's C. I'm going to color that in. So this is C union A right there. That's my first step. My next step now is to look at C union A complement. That little symbol up there means shade in everything that is not already shaded. We know what C union A is, so now we have to shade in everything except that yellow stuff. I'm going to do that on the next slide, or next picture. I guess it's the same slide. So here's everything that wasn't shaded in the first step. This part shaded in. Let's see. This part is not shaded in because it was yellow there. This one's not shaded in. This one's not shaded in. This one's not shaded in, and this one's not shaded in because they were shaded in the first one, so I can't shade them in now. But this part here was not shaded in the first step, and since we're looking at the complement, I need to shade it in on the second step. So there's my C union A complement. Okay. There's my second step. Now my third step, C union A complement intersected with B. For intersections, it's a lot easier for me to draw first the one set and then draw the second set. So I'm going to use a different color here. This is going to be B. Here's all of B. So C union A intersected with B means the stuff that overlaps between what I just drew. So this pink stuff out here does not get shaded because it's not where the 2 shades overlap. This one doesn't count because it's not even shaded at all. This one doesn't count because it's not shaded. This one doesn't count because it's not shaded. This one's only shaded by the blue up above, but not by both. This middle part is only shaded by the blue, not by both. This is shaded only by the blue, not by both. But this part is shaded by both. So that's the answer to the problem. Let's check it out in Alex. I'm going to shade just that region, and that should be my answer. Notice if you want to get rid of something, you can get rid of it. If you want to shade more than one piece, you can just do them a piece at a time. I'll get rid of those because I know they're not the answer. So you can edit these quite a bit if you want to. Let's do a check. And I don't know if you can see it, but yes, I got marked correct. So I hope that helps. Let me know in the forum if this did help or if you have any more specific things that you want to talk about with this, okay? And I'll see you in class. Thanks.